windows and the rain is pouring, it will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows and the rain is pouring, it will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
Hello, you guys. Yeah, I pulled this light out my drawer the other day. Don't mind this, and I have been obsessed with it ever since.
Mom, I'm gonna walk.
Got my makeup done, and I am just waiting on my parents. We're supposed to be going to something for the family, so this is what we're gonna be doing. How y'all think I did on my makeup today? I actually really like it. I just have one grab and grown today. So under my eyes, first of all, that little bag situation, I don't know what's going on with that. But under my eyes, y'all, my concealer separates very badly because I have like fine lines under my eye. They're just creases because of the way my eyes are shaped. Normal stuff, right? However, this side keeps running water, and it pretty much messed up the concealer underneath here. So now it looks like I got punched on this side of my face. So I had to fix it. So you know what? We just gonna, it is what it is. But I think I did really good today. I used my NYX foundation. It's my favorite again, because it just, the finish is just, it does what it needs to do. I use my Fenty Mocha Mami bronzer, and that does what it's supposed to do. The blush that I used is the Fenty cream blush. It's like the orange looking one, but once you put it on the face, it just warms it up so much. I love it. And then I have my Fenty, I have on my Beauty Bay highlighter and my Fenty highlighter. I mixed them, so like one's like gold, one's like rose gold. I kind of mix them together and then put them on my face. You know what I'm saying? I got on my NYX lip butter gloss, and I don't have the exact color in front of me right now. And then of course my typical brown lip liner, and I just think it looks so good with my little Dollar Tree lashes on. Or did I get these from Ulta? Or did I get these from Five and Below? I think I got them from Five and Below. But they look so cute. And of course the glasses just make it does what it needs to do. Don't mind the background of my house, y'all. It's a hot mess, but I just love today's look. I do need to go to get the teeth whitener kit, and I need to do I think I wanted to get a book today, but honestly I feel like I could just really, I feel like maybe I could reread. I don't like to reread books. That's just never been my thing, but I could possibly reread some of the books that I have. Just because it's been so long, you know what I'm saying, since I've read these books. So
You are going so
I have the 4 agreements. Let me show you. Y'all can't see. And all these books have gotten me somewhere, you know what I'm saying, in life. So I just really feel like I should just maybe pick them back up. And then the book of it all that I need to be into, real heavy. Like that's the #1 book that I should be reading. Today for fragrance, I put on my Fame, and then I also put on my Gourmand White Flowers, which is the same as, come on now, focus, which is the same as Victor and Rolf Flower Bomb, like the original one. I've been really gravitating towards that one a lot lately. So those are my fragrances of the day. And totally forgot, let me open this vlog. Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to the channel. My name is Sharniece. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. Give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment in the comment section down below. And if you are not subscribed to the channel, definitely go ahead and binge watch my videos. Once you realize that you love me, which you will, okay, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And to all my oldie but goodies, hey y'all, hey, welcome back to the channel and welcome to another day's Vlogmas. Okay, I'm gonna put that at the beginning. So yeah, y'all, I will check in with y'all once I figure out if I'm gonna go ahead and go to the store, or I'm gonna wait on them. I'm low-key kind of annoyed, but it is what it is. As y'all can see, I changed my shirt. I just felt it was too much open and out up there. Not my boobs, but my chest. And you know your mama and them tell you to cover your chest in the cold. Oh, this is the lip gloss I was telling y'all about. NYX Butter Drop in the color Angel Food Cake. This is an OG here, and this is like one of them Miss Aaliyah J lip glosses. I want to say I want to go to Old Navy to see if they have some Christmas pajamas, so we could take us some at the house Christmas pictures this year. And then, so yeah, I want to see if they got some Christmas pajamas. And to be honest with you, the safest Walmart to go to is going to be this one right here. Because the last time we went to the other Walmart, it's several Walmarts here in Montgomery, but there's certain Walmarts you just don't go to. There's, I'm just saying, like one on the north side of town, you don't go to that one. And then there's 2 on the east side of town. This is like the east, and then we also have one on another, like not too far from us. And last time we went there, which was like last week, there was some women arguing coming into Walmart, And next thing you know, they got on the intercom and was like, hey, your car's being keyed. I'm just like, whoa. Okay. Let's see. Let's get a little sunroof action today. Stop it right there when you start opening up on me. All right, y'all. So I guess I'm gonna find a. Ooh, my forehead look big. I'm gonna go to Old Navy first. I'm gonna go to Old Navy first and see if I can find some pajamas.
It's white outside, and the night is cold. Everyone's lighting candles in their homes. Yes, it's Christmas. It's a magic time. You can feel it in the air, that every child got their hearts filled up with joy. Yes, it's Christmas all around. All snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing, Merry Christmas to you.
Y'all, not me to found a spot right up front. Like, legitimately, right up front. That never happens. Man, why he got on shorts? You let that child come outside with shorts on? I'm gonna need this. Y'all, would you believe that there are no Christmas pajamas in there? I don't know how to feel because I've always been able to come to Old Navy and know that they have holiday pajamas. Oh my God. Okay, so I guess we won't be getting anything out of there. So now, change of plans. Sounds like I'm gonna have to go to Target after all. Yeah, I go in Target so much. I just don't want to go in there. And the thing is, I go in Target so much and I always have my camera. So I'm like, I know they tired of seeing me at this point. I am annoyed. And see, I don't know if they would have them on sale or anything. It just sounds like we could just have matching outfits on as far as like color coordination. Because I'm not to run all over the world.
Huh? Yeah, teach me.
It's my turn now?
It's mommy turn. It's mommy turn.
Oh, yeah. It's my...
That, mommy, we got this. We all should win. I just lost you last time. So
Calm down, boo.
With the yellow.
I got 1 point.
Rara, your turn. Rara.
Oh, Rara could knock a ball out. Who is gonna be the loser?
Not me. It's all gonna be the loser.
Yep, Autumn gonna be the loser. Autumn has 5 points.
No.
Autumn has 5 points.
No, you.
Mommy.
Right now, Autumn's losing.
Mommy.
Mama has 3 points.
Oh, man.
Daddy's turn. Touching something.
Oh, man.
All of them touching something.
I win.
Darn.
Go, mommy. Go,
Mama's gonna be the loser.
Go, mommy. Go, mommy.
Mama's gonna be the loser.
Mama, go. Oh, mommy. Oh, thank you.
Alright, DC right there.
Keep your ball. It's circling around. Get your ball.
Oh, what my ball? Hold on, right? Hold on.
What are you doing?
Shaking my balls. Somebody get my ball. You can get up on when it's your turn.
It's him, it's next.
Hold on. Whose turn is it? Did you go?
Yes. I got 4.
Everything gonna fall. Mama lose.
Mom, you lose. Mom, you have 5 points.
Go, mommy.
Go, mommy.
Please drop one.
Go,
You can
mommy.
take that one.
Uh-oh. Oh.
Yeah, that's the only one. Y'all set me up good. Y'all did. Y'all really did. Alright, ready? Set. Go.
What is that?
I can see. A police officer.
No.
Police car.
No.
You're getting a speeding ticket.
Yes.
You wrote ticket on the
Let me put in board first. Okay.
I can't see. I can't see.
Phone. Swipe.
Texting.
How the heck did you get that? I have a question.
Question.
Question is what you looking for. I can't talk. I ain't supposed to talk.
You did this so you can be up there a long time. That don't even make sense. Bring it to the camera. What's in between the lines? Read between the lines.
Between the lines.
Oh.
Be cleaned off fast. China makes it under ready.
What?
China, your order is ready.
What?
China, your order is ready.
I don't know what the hell you talking about.
Sir, your order is ready. Your food is ready, sir.